Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can upload our Flutter app into GitHub easily. Yeah, you can see that this is just a basic process that will be created when you create a project. Let's try running this. Yeah, it's running fine. Now let's see how you can upload this on GitHub. First open your browser, then go to www.github.com. There if you have an alt account login, if you don't have an account, sign up and you will be landed in this page. Now you can see here in the top right corner you will be see a plus icon. Create that new repository, then name it. I'll just name it as counter app because that is a counter app, and it's a best practice to give a description. Flutter counter app. I'll leave this as public, and readme file it's optional. Let's create the repository. Yeah, now you can see that after creating you will land in this page. If you swipe down you can see this box. Start by copying one by one and paste this on your terminal. There's a few things that you need to add before that. Let's first initialize Git. If you don't have Git, install Git in your device. I have already uploaded a video how to install Git. I'll leave this in the description. Feel free to check it out. You have to initialize Git. Add this line. This will be not present in the GitHub. Git add dot. This line is used to add all the folders into your GitHub. So let's wait till it completes. Yeah, it's completed. Now let's add a readme is optional. Let's give it a first commit. Enable the full screen. Okay, now let's branch main. Let's paste that. This is the important line. Copy that. After that completes, paste that here, and the last line. Let's wait for the complete process to be complete. Yeah, it shows complete here. Now let's check it out on GitHub. Open this page and just refresh it. You can see that it is uploaded to GitHub successfully. If you are documenting an app, it's a best practice to add description and title. Those all readme file. You can just click on and edit here. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt related to GitHub, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.